Arena mode. Okay. Arena mode, hindi ako masyadong magaling. I will just say that. But at least eyes on me. That's the theme of Final Fantasy. Okay, we don't have. Oh, they're all strong. Tapos wala tayong ano, wala tayong plant cards. But let's just start attacking only because we're annoying. Let's try. Normally walang uma-attack sa first round, pero alam mo na, gusto ko lang umattack. Beast ba to? So, ang una mong gagawin pala kapag naglalaro ka, ngayon matagal pa siya umattack, is titingnan mo kung ano yung mga axes ng kalaban mo at saka anong abilities nila. Mukhang malakas siya at inattack din niya ako agad. So, tama lang pala na umattack ako. Ay, papatay na niya ako. Pero okay lang. Patayin ko na rin siya. Sana. Ay. Yay! Okay, ano ba to? 41. Baka magamit ko rin yan eh. Hindi mo na ako attack. Baka patayin na rin nila yung plant ko. I will just save my energy. Or I can attack. I don't know. Actually, I can attack. I don't know. Let's see. Ay, umatak siya. Ay, nagnakaw pa siya ng steel energy. He's so annoying. That's so annoying. Let's see what he's gonna do. Oh, he's gonna try to kill me now. Not yet. Although has more of an advantage kasi ang dami pa niyang. He still has so much energy, but it's fine. We'll just try to I don't know if that's a good idea, but we are going to try to kill his beast. Oh, I don't have that much energy actually. I was wishful thinking. Okay, let's just do that. And do this. I don't know, do this. Oh, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill my reptile. I think I'm gonna lose this match. Sorry guys, this is not really the best. I'll have to do another I didn't have good cards, so probably gonna lose this one as well. But that's okay. I will try to do another match where I'm going to win. He's gonna kill me. Oh, hindi pa. Okay. I don't know if I can kill him. Aquas are really strong. Oh, okay. I won. Oh, that's great. I thought I was gonna lose. Fantastic! So, nanalo tayo dyan sa battle na yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung commentary ko, pero great. So, dahil nanalo ako, I have increased my rank. Tapos, nanalo din ako ng small love potion. So, ganyan ka makaka-earn ng small love potion. You just win arena matches, tas you win adventure matches. And that's all you have to do today. Every day you just need to grind and play the game. And that was fun. Okay, that was good. That is the arena match. Thank you for watching. Yeah, so just explore the game. It's fun. I do enjoy playing. So, and you get to earn money. Can you believe that? I'm just like earning money just from playing. So, yeah, if you have any questions, ask me. I don't think I can give you tips with arena matches. That was just pure luck. But in terms of like earning SLP, just ask me and I'll help you out. That's it for today. Yay. I'm so happy about the win. And thank you for watching.